In today's video, we're going to look at how you can hide and unhide rows in Excel. So we've got some sales data here that goes from 2018 through to 2021, and we've also got a total row. Now, there's a few ways we can hide the data and then also unhide it. So first off, we're just going to start by highlighting all these rows. Let's say we only want the 2018 row showing. And what we can do is just, once we've highlighted these rows, right-click and hide. And then to unhide, I can just highlight over the rows that have been hidden where they're bunched up, right-click and unhide. Now we can also complete these actions of hiding and unhiding by going to the menu in the ribbon at the top, in the home ribbon where we have format. We click on that, we have the visibility, hide and unhide options. So we could do hide rows and unhide rows there. So I'm just going to hide them again. And if I go in there again, hide and unhide, and then I'm going to unhide the rows, just like that. A few other things to mention about hiding rows. So previously I highlighted all of these. What I can also do, if I want to select multiple rows in one go, is click on the first row that I want to hide, then hold Shift and click on the last row that I want to hide, and it will automatically highlight all of these. This is particularly useful if there's a huge amount of rows you want to hide, and it's going to take a bit of time to kind of keep going down and highlight all of them. Something else to mention is that you can also easily hide rows that are not next to each other. So let's say for whatever reason we wanted to hide the 2019 row and the total row. What I can do here is select Control after selecting the first row. So hold Control and then click on row 9, and we've just highlighted these two rows, and then with one action of right-clicking and hide, both of those rows are hidden. And then I'm just going to highlight over these again, and you'll see they're hidden there and hidden there. Right click, unhide, and we've unhidden them again. Simple as that. So that's just a quick run through of hiding and unhide rows in Excel. As you can see, it's a really quick way to make the data a bit more simple if you only want to present a certain amount of it. Thanks for watching this video. If you found it useful, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.